Good afternoon, Dune Sport Custom Toy Haulers. Welcome to another full walkthrough video of our toy haulers here at Dune Sport at our factory direct dealership in Mesa, Arizona. This is the biggest, baddest trailer we make at 46 feet, going all the way to Pennsylvania. Going to be doing some racing. But as most of you know, all of our trailers here at Dune Sport are completely custom. Floor plan, options, color of cabinets, how you attach it to your truck, fifth wheel or gooseneck. So when you talk to your sales rep here, you can talk to them about anything that you'd like in your new toy hauler. That's what we're known for. So walk through this video with us. If you want quicker, photos, images, that type of stuff, little social media, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But for these full walkthroughs, these demonstrations we do on our YouTube channel are great for people that want the long-winded version. So starting with the American flag, you can order it with graphics or no graphics. This customer wanted no graphics. But again, they wanted the smoothest ride you can get on an RV, which is that Gen Y pin box there on the front. No generator. They're going to be going, again, campground to campground, racetrack to racetrack. And they wanted 2 full-length awnings on their toy hauler. So 21 feet in length. We've got light bars. We've got floodlights. We've got all of the exterior lighting taken care of for them. This is a garage model. We get asked all the time, do you guys at Dune Sport build garage models? Of course we do. It's just a matter of what the customer wants when they put their order in. So this does have a mega garage. It's 19 feet in length. Partition there in the middle, which we'll show you in a minute once we get to the inside. It does have a big coach slide with a couch in it, which you'll see. One thing you'll also notice is every slide at Dune Sport comes standard with a slide topper in terms of waterproofing, weatherproofing, keeping that roof cool in those hotter conditions. But the I-beam skirting looks super sharp on any trailer. You've got full skirting all the way down the trailer, full hydraulic system with Bigfoot capability, and 200 gallons of fresh water, 50 gray and 50 black. 21K gross, so standard pin box. Does have our Road Armor shock absorbers there to give it that smooth ride from Lippert, from Ecoflex. And then 8-foot ramp door with a dovetail and gap cover. So a lot of you will ask, what's the least incline that you guys offer here at Dune Sport? That's what it looks like with a dovetail, 8-foot door, and some gap cover. So here's the garage, big open unobstructed garage, no beds, second door. They're going to haul some race cars and that sort of thing, and they wanted that incline to be the least amount. We do have an air conditioner back here for them. They did order it with a loft for additional sleeping, and they did have a second garage entry, to and from the garage area. But this is all about just having a cargo bay that is not part of their living space. And at 46 feet, you can certainly do that. So 50 amp panel is standard with this RV. Here's your air conditioner control back here. Here's our garage as we walk through to this wonderful layout. It's a campsite kitchen here on the passenger side, full height cabinets, your little entertainment center with your fireplace, and then your big Rec Pro dark gray couch with a nice pantry here to finish it off. So this is the slide version. As you come through the coach, it is super large in here in this garage model. So nice TV will go there. You've got full height cabs with shelving in all of these cabinets. You've got your center console and your reclining option. This all is power driven. So you've got your built-in lights, and then you can just extend and retract. These are also long enough to sleep on. So day and night windows throughout. Big loft area up there with a window. We've got a twin size bed with a telescoping ladder. But sitting down here in the passenger side of the coach is your big kitchen, 10 cube fridge, tons of storage, Corian countertops with a flip up there, and then the microwave mounted below the cooktop. Now again, this is a hybrid model. We do some wheelchair accessibility stuff here at Dune Sport, and they blended our wheelchair accessible option with their fifth wheel floor plan. So we've got a center hallway to and from the bathroom, and this is what makes this trailer work for them. So they've got a completely wheelchair accessible, ADA accessible bathroom from us with a flip up shower, bench. They still have a linen closet. They have a full-size sink and a medicine cabinet, tons of overhead storage. We even have a fantastic fan in the roof. Nobody's going to reach up 9 feet in the air and turn their fan on. So when you order your stuff from us here, those are all the little things that we think about at Dune Sport. So Dometic 320 toilet, plenty of commode space, and look how big that flush mount roll-in shower is with that seated bench there. You've got an adjustable shower head with a bunch of positions, grab bars, and with this bathroom on the first floor, completely wheelchair accessible. We're going to have a stair lift installed right here that'll take the customer from the main floor all the way up to their upper deck. What you'll notice about their upper deck is the bedroom, or actually bed, the queen size bed is offset to one side, so that way we can get them all of that walk space in and around their bed. So as you come up, it's still 6'4" up here. You've got a nightstand and wardrobe cabinet area here, so you can hang some clothes. And then you've got tons of storage, drawers, all the way throughout the trailer. You still get overhead cabinets at the head of the bed, another air conditioner up here, and then a big linen closet, and then the roll under countertop that they wanted here, along with a cabinet. They're going to be able to hang out up here and not have to go downstairs and do their makeup and get ready for the day, that sort of thing. So, but the big linen closet here is just a bonus cabinet with all kinds of shelving in your second furnace. So 2 furnaces, actually, one for up here and one for down there to heat the garage. And with this center hallway, you can just see the magnitude of how big these floor plans are when we design them this way. So as you approach the main floor, you can walk back through your wonderful pocket door right here for privacy. So for ease of use and all that stuff, you've got a pocket door here. And then going back into your main coach, if you want it, you got your flip-up counter for additional storage, your loft area, and you're ready to go to the track. So you got to check us out. We are for real. Every trailer is custom made all the way down to the fireplaces. Give us a call anytime. Have a good day. Thank you.